I want to mention that is very important is that we live in a society where men think that going to the doctor is a female thing. It's not. And we do have quite a few men who wait too late to find out that they are suffering from high blood pressure or hypertension. So it's very important that we get these men on board early. So I would advise you as early as possible to get your check at your doctor or your clinic.
How come not managing or not being aware that you have hypertension control your virility as a man?
That's a hot topic. A lot of men are scared to go to the doctor because they don't want to know. And then when they do find out that they have issue with high blood pressure, they don't want to take the medication because they're scared that they're not going to be able to perform. However, I want to inform the men out there. Having high blood pressure, uncontrolled hypertension is your first problem. It's not the medication. Having the high blood pressure affects the blood vessels in that area, and so we need to have the blood pressure controlled so that you can have the best possibility of having full function.